amusement as sex and dancing. I was like, what? It's a social right, defense against externality and a tool of power. Where's the next bit? Okay, everyone who lives in an industrialized society is obliged gradually to give up to the past. But in certain countries, such as the United States and Japan, the break with the past has been particularly traumatic. In the early 1970s, the fable of the brash American tourist of the 1950s and 1960s, rich with dollars and rebellion, was replaced by the mystery group-minded Japanese tourist who, released from his island prison by the miracle of the overvalued yen, who is generally armed with 2 cameras, 1 on each hip. Okay, yeah, this method of taking photos, moving on, especially appeals to people handicapped by a ruthless work ethic. Germans, Japanese, and Americans. Okay,
not good.
Especially people handicapped by a ruthless work ethic. Germans, Japanese, and Americans. How could she get away with saying that?
When was this book published?
Let's see. May 1977.
Good lord.
Can you believe that? I was actually
1977.
That made me laugh out loud. That's going back to like
BAFTAs were no BAFTAs.
like Wolfling's kind of.
And that the break with the past should be